How to restore data from iCloud on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily restore data from iCloud on iPhone. Let's dive right in. Open up your settings app, then head over to Apple account. Go to iCloud and then scroll down, tap on See All and find the app where you want to store the data from. So I'm going to choose the Health app and make sure that saying this iPhone is toggled on. Now easily the data from Health app in your iCloud will be restored on your iPhone. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.